Rain falls soft like a whispered sigh. I stand alone under a silver sky. Each drop sings your name, so bittersweet. Your memory's a ghost I'll never defeat. The clouds are heavy, but my heart feels more. Smothered dreams knocking on a closed door. I trace the pavement where we used to tread. Now it's just me and these tears unsaid. Thinking of you under the weeping rain, aching for a glance I'll never find again. You're the shadow in the stormy gray. I'm drowning in the words I couldn't say. The puddles ripple where love used to bloom. These streets echo like an empty room. Your laughter's a sound too far to hear, yet it lingers sharp like a crystal clear tear. The wind hums low, it carries your tune, a haunting melody that cuts the gloom. I stretch my hands to the falling sky, but the rain won't give back what made me cry. Thinking of you under the weeping rain, aching for a glance I'll never find.